Coming up next on the food plane, I'm going to show you how I make these beautiful, delicious, moist Italian-style meatballs. Oh, yeah. I have 2 pounds of ground beef in the bowl. I'm going to add 1 pound of ground pork to that. If you only have 1 pound of ground beef, just add a half a pound of ground pork. To that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of chili peppers. And then we're going to chop 1 onion and add that to the mix. You're going to zest 5 garlic cloves. Garlic is a big part of a lot of Italian dishes. I am a big garlic person, and I like the health benefits that it brings. So you can add more garlic or less, but 5 should do. 5 cloves of garlic zested into the mix. And then you're going to chop up 1/4 cup of basil and a half cup of parsley, and you're going to add that to the mix. And then you're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of oregano and 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs, a half cup of Parmesan cheese, and then a half cup of ricotta. And then you're going to add your egg and salt to taste. You're going to want to put as much salt as you want. Here's the fun part. Now you get to squish these ingredients together. That's right. Take your hands and begin to squish these ingredients together. You let that meat know. So you want it to be like this, just when the ingredients all come together. Yeah, it looks nice, huh? It smells good too. It smells delicious. Roll those suckers out. Put them in the oven, 425 for 25 minutes. 425 degrees for 25 minutes, and then you get these beauties. Oh yes, you can eat these by themselves with just sauce and cheese. You can put them in a meatball sub. Oh yeah, and you can also have, of course, the famous spaghetti and meatballs. Oh yeah. I used provolone cheese for these meatball subs. Oh, don't they look juicy? Oh yeah, they look nice. So hey, listen, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoy these wonderful Italian-style meatballs. You can follow me on Twitter at dselias1, the number 1, dselias1 on Twitter. And also, please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and share. Thanks again for your time. And if you haven't seen my chocolate chip peanut butter cookies, then go to my channel right now and check that recipe out. They are also delicious. I hope you have a great day. Until next time.